If the prophet was correct, then the Warsong encampment lies just over the ridge. We should ready ourselves for battle.
I know, Cairne. It's just that I never thought I'd live to see the day when I had to fight my own people.
Just remember, Thrall. This soul gem, you can capture your friend's spirit without hurting him. But you need to bring it back to my base immediately, so we can free Hellscream from the demon's control.
I appreciate your help, Miss Proudmoore. Yet another day I thought I'd never live to see.
That makes two of us. I'll return to my base and aid you as best I can. Good luck. Gentlemen.
The spirits rage around you, young war chief. They sense your anguish, your grief.
Hellscream is like a brother to me, Cairne. But he and his clan have fallen under the demon's influence. If I can't save him, then my people might be damned for all time. Let's get on with it. Yes. Lokrigar Nogal.
Huh? Ready to work. How can I help?
You seek me help? That be good choice, man. Right away.
Nogal. Dabu. Yes. For honor.
Thrall! The skies are burning!
This is no natural storm. Blessed ancestors. Everyone, brace yourselves! Fight on, my warriors! We must reach Hellscream before it's too late! We're under attack! Lokrigar Nogal. Right away, Ninjas Forsuti. What? A wise plan. For the Horde. Our allied town is being attacked! Master, for the Horde. The spirits are restless.
Yes. I can do that.
Restless.
You are the human's lapdog. We serve only the Legion now.
Gladly. Precisely.
I am the war chief. Let's get on with it. Let's get on with it.
Take heart, young one. For honor.
The spirits are restless.
Our allied town is being attacked.
What you want? Loktar. The spirits are restless. For honor.
Work complete.
Dabu.
For Doomhammer.
Yes. Lokrigar Nogal.
Research complete.
Dabu. Yes. The spirits are restless. Dabu.
Inventory is full.
Amen.
Research complete.
Lokrigar Nogal.
Research complete.
Precisely. Gladly. Precisely.
I am the war chief.
Ready to work.
First of all,
Work complete. What do you want? Work complete. I am able
Let's
to
get
help.
on with it.
Our town is under attack. Something is attack. Work complete.
I am the war chief.
Look, regard. Work complete.
Restless.
Speak, chieftain. For the horde.
I am the war chief.
Work.
The spirits are restless.
Understood. Regard. Right away. The wise.
I am the war chief. Let's get on with it.
Our Kalei town is being attacked. Understood. For the horde. Right away.
Let's get on with it. The spirits are restless. I am the war chief.
Understood. For the horde. The order. Right away. How now? For the strike. Regard. Are there enemies above?
The spirits are restless. Let's get on with it.
For the horde. Our town is under attack. Something is doing. Who is under attack?
Let's get on with it. Yes. For honor. Yes.
What you want me to do? What? Who you want me to kill?
Yalu.
What you want me go? What you want me do? Choke that in me.
For honor. For honor.
What you want me go? How may I serve?
Look, regard, no
I
God.
hear the summons.
Let's get on with it. Look, regard, no God.
For the horde. What you be craving?
The wise plan.
I am the war chief.
I am able to help
The spirits I am the war chief.
Bring it on!
Hellscream, you've got to come with me.
And where would you lead me, boy? Destiny is at hand. Lord Manaroth is our master now.
Who? You're not talking sense.
Ah, Thrall. You always believed that the demons corrupted our race, but that's only half true. We gave ourselves up willingly on Draenor. The other chieftains and I, we drank Manaroth's blood, Thrall. We brought this curse upon ourselves.
You did this to our people knowingly? Gah! Let's get on with it.
Right the way.
The spirits are restless. I am the war chief. The spirits are restless. Are there enemies above? Hellscream?
Thrall, I see clearly now. I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
To hell with your apologies! Right now, I need you to help me save our people.
Manaroth. We must face Manaroth in the canyon.
Then let's go. I don't want to keep the bastard waiting.
So predictable. I knew you would come. And I see you brought the mighty Hellscream. His blood is mine. As is your whole misbegotten race. Worthy effort, but futile. The boy believed you could be saved, but he didn't know what burns within your soul. Within your heart, you know we are the same. Thrall, the blood haze has lifted. The demon's fire has burnt out in my veins. I have freed myself.
No, old friend. You've freed us all.